Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Amazon reviews for your site in BigCommerce. So first thing you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Amazon reviews. Let's click sign up for free. First, you need to sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you which one you choose, or normal mail. When you got it, then just click login. Now, you're gonna see applications here, and you want to write here Amazon. When you will have it, you're gonna see it here, Amazon reviews. Let's create a widget. Now, when we got it, you can choose between reviews widget, carousel, slider, grid. I recommend going with this one because this one is really pretty, but you can choose which one you like. Continue with the template. Now just place here your URL address. Then you get like layout, review, how it looks like in style. You can choose which one you like. Let's just click save here. When you have it, you need to choose which plan you want. You can go with the basic version or pro version or light version. If you're starting out, start with the light. If you're gonna get like more views on your site, go with the basic or pro version. Also, if you're gonna use more apps, check all the app packs. When we got it, let's copy the code here. Let's go to our site. Let's add HTML. And let's go delete this and let's paste it our Amazon. Let's click save. Let's wait until it loads and you will see how perfect it is. Voila, here we got it. But if we wanted to have on the left side, I mean in the middle, what you need to do is just choose layout, choose 3 of them, add your HTML to the middle ones, save HTML, click save, and you will see how it looks like now. Here we got it, perfect. And here we got it to the middle. And this is how you get perfect Amazon reviews. If you have any questions, guys, definitely ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And also check the all applications, because if you're gonna use like 6 apps from Placeit, you can go with the Pro pack for 30 bucks a month, and you're gonna save like 30 euro. Or $40. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.